Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Chill Chic and I am back with another video. It has been a little minute since we kind of kicked it and whatever. So I have a new announcement. I am back to YouTube full time, like full time, y'all. I have been blessed with the situation where I am now coming to do my YouTube full time. You can also follow me on TikTok. It's Chill Chic _. I created it without the underscore and I guess I forgot the password. That was before I really was into TikTok and now I couldn't get into it. So now it's Chill Chic _. Y'all can see me post on there. I have been very consistent with TikTok. And so now that my schedule is allowing me, I'm coming back and I am creating more content for you all on YouTube full time. The way that my life is set up for the last 2 years, like, y'all, don't be mad at me, but it has just been a journey and I plan on disclosing all of that on my channel as well. Like, it has just literally, I'm blessed. I'm beyond blessed. I have been seeing a little bit of comments on my channel on some old videos, like asking me like if I'm okay, like, and I have been okay. My life has literally just taken a different turn and for the better. So we are here to stay this time and I'm just really excited. I'm really blessed to just be back here. So thank you all for welcoming me back. Thank you all so much for just all of your thoughts, comments, and concerns. I've literally been getting y'all reaching out to me on Instagram. Some people from TikTok have remembered me from YouTube and even old comments and stuff. I see those. But I just wasn't, when the world started opening back up, I was not at a place where I was able to get into YouTube full time like I once was into it more consistently. But now I'm back on a schedule where I have the freedom to do so. You know, everything with like my job and everything, it started picking back up, you know, when the pandemic kind of ended. I mean, it's not all the way over, but you know. So I wasn't able to fully be able to be here, but I really I appreciate y'all so much. Like, my subscribers and my TikTok followers, like, y'all are like my everything. And so I am just so blessed to be able to be here and to talk to y'all. I have so many good products to review for y'all. Like, I have so much stuff to talk about. I want y'all to go ahead and leave comments in the comment box if y'all have any questions, any videos that y'all want me to do. I am seriously going to be here for the long haul. My goal is really going to be able to upload a video twice a week. I think that my upload days are going to be Tuesdays and Thursdays. So I'm just so elated to be able to be here with y'all. But before we even get to the video, if you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button because we got a lot of catching up to do. We gonna be besties, okay? But we're gonna go ahead and start off with this video. And today I'm gonna be unboxing a PR package from Sigma Beauty. I am so excited because I have loved Sigma for some years now. So we're gonna get into this box because I know that they got some goodies for me. So let's see what we got. It first starts off with a note and it says, "Hey beauty, we see you out here being a creator, a trendsetter, and an innovator. We admire your uniqueness, celebrate your style, and respect your drive to stand out. Because that's what Sigma is all about. We have pushed the limits and launched products that have changed the standard idea of beauty. We create, we inspire, and we innovate. So let's stick together." I see y'all, we gonna stick together. So in this box, like, y'all, I don't even think you understand how much I love Sigma Beauty. So when they reached out, I was like, heck yeah. So let's go see what's in here. Okay, so the first thing is this Sigma Spa Express Brush Cleaning Mat. And I also have the Instant Shade Remover. It's another cleaning mat. This one I believe is like handheld. I used to have this one. I actually lost it in my move when I moved from my apartment to our house. So yeah, I really needed this. And the funny thing is I have literally been looking for stuff to clean my brushes with. So, ooh, this is really gonna come in handy. Next is the Sig Magic Brush Shampoo Foam. So this is the brush cleaner and then here's the cleansing mat. I am so excited to use this. as I clean my brushes. I was literally looking for a new brush cleaner because the one that I used to buy, I couldn't find it anymore. So I'm so excited about this. We then have a couple of brushes in here, so let me go see what they have. So we have the F78 Ultimate Bronze Brush, the F80 Flat Kabuki Brush, the F53 Air Contour Blush Brush. We have the F79 Concealer Blend Kabuki Brush. Oh yes, I am loving this one. Y'all, they sent me some goodies. We have the E33 Detailed Diffused Crease Brush, the E06 Winged Liner Brush, the E30 Pencil. This is for like soft liner along the lash lines. The F03 High Cheekbone Highlighter, the E40 Tapered Blending Brush, the E57 Firm Shader, and we also have the E25 Blending Brush. So then we have the Sigma Hydro Melt Lip Mask. Ooh, my lips are finna look great. This is enriched with hyaluronic acid, vitamin E, jojoba oil, and shea butter. The Cor de Rosa Mini Eyeshadow Palette. The Sigma Blush from the Cor de Rosa line as well. We have a matte bronzer. We have a highlighter. Oh, I have two matte bronzers. We have a matte bronzer in medium and then also a matte bronzer in dark. We have the Sigma Spectrum Color Correcting Duo for medium to dark. And we also have the Tint and Tame Brow Gel, the eyeshadow base primer, and we also have a Renew Lip Oil, which is also enriched with jojoba oil and vitamin E oil, as well as sunflower seed oil. Y'all, Sigma, y'all definitely showed up and showed out, because your girl loves beauty products, like love them. And I have purchased stuff from Sigma before, so like I'm so excited about this. Like, y'all have no idea. So that was it for this video. So stay tuned for the next video, and I'll see you back here next time.